You know, when you mention always having a cup of coffee, you know who I think of? Bobby Gibbia. He is still in Hawaii. Yes, you know, he went and he's now practicing in Hawaii. Hmm. Oh my gosh, yeah.
By keeping that hot filled for Judge Angelini.
But I will tell you this, with Bobby Gibbia, we would always say he would have like the tiniest little cup, and it was like the never ending coffee because no matter how many sips he took, it was still full.
Yeah. Tell me what song you're at. Huh? Okay, go ahead.
But Deputy Laura, my mom sent my birthday cards and she was like, I'm sorry, I'm late. I'm like, Mom, you're not late. But she always sends our birthday cards early because her thing is you should have a time to enjoy your cards. Sit out, look at them. Oh, and Deputy Laura, just so you know, uh, and Megan and Lauren, you know I'm in the twilight of my life, right? So anyway, Deputy Laura and Bashan, Judge, you gotta watch Black Rabbit. Watch Black Rabbit.
No, I did not say that. She said that. I said K-pop demon hunter.
Okay, I'm gonna watch K-pop Demon Hunters. But so anyway, next thing I know, last night I was talking to mom and she said, oh, you know, Black Rabbit, because we always talk about what we did. And I said, Deputy Laura corrected her and let her know it wasn't you, it was Vashawn. They're like, you need to watch Black Rabbit. So I said, hey, mom, how was it? She said, Stephanie, let me just tell you, you invest your time in it, so you have to finish it. She's like, but I wouldn't recommend it.
I like Jason Bateman a lot.
Yes.
And so I like to watch it, but I just can't. Not first episode. Like, it's hard to go. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm still not finished with it.
Okay, there's this one guy, I can't think of his name, but he always talks about anime and what you should be watching. But this time he was talking about Dairy. Is it called Dairy Boys or Dairy something?
Dairy Girls?
No, it's something different. Not the Dairy Girls. It's where they moved to the town of Derry or something.
So like it, kind of the movie It.
I don't know if it's like it, but he said it's great.
Dairy Girls. That was
Yeah, it's Derry.
Dairy.
Yes. And so it's a Stephen King thing, I think. It has I don't know what era it's set in, but it sort of has the 70s vibe where it's always overcast. Yeah. Oh, and then somebody sent me something with, yes.
Oh, it's it. Okay. I haven't watched it.
I don't even, well, there was a video on Facebook. And I guess this person is writing a movie or something, but it is terrifying. So there's this child that's on the bed in his pajamas, calling his mom, and he's like, "Mom, there's somebody underneath my bed, right?" And she's like, "There's no one underneath your bed," but she checks, and when she checks, he's underneath the bed.
The kid?
Yes,
Oh.
but guess what he tells her from the top of the bed? He's like, "Mom, that's not me."
Oh, no.
I mean, my heart just starts right. Can you imagine if you go in a child's room and you're checking on the bed and it's them and you sort of like, "Hey, stop playing games." And then the voice at the top of the bed tells you, "That's not me." Oh, I'm grabbing my child, we're leaving. And then I'll sit my brothers in and I'll say, "Make sure I got my right child." Yeah.
We got all water, we got all that. They got a team on. At that time, team. Well, I mean, that's it. That don't matter to me.
So fun fact to know, Julie Long's daughter, David, one of our former assistants, trying to guess who it is. Oh, Kurt, maybe. All on jail calls and videos is it. Jude Law. His daughter, oh, his daughter.
What can you do?
There's a theory behind that. Because they have everything, they want to be a bad boy, looking for a bad boy thing.
All right, so guys, they are having, they're still doing their fundraisers for charity. So BCIT is having their fundraiser from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. until sold out. They're doing hot dogs. This is what my mom always tell me, right? And I follow this and it has served me well. The first thing my mom says is, "I want to know where people are washing their hands. If you don't have the proper water to wash your hands, can't do it." Yeah. Oh, let me just tell you what happened to me while we wait for the jurors. I went to this event. And you know how when you go to an event and people are saying it's upscale, I'm a country girl. I'm like, what, people doing mimosas. I'm like, I'll just have some water. I don't drink, right? So I try to get fancy. And I said, you know what? Let me do some water, squeeze some lime in it. And they had some strawberries. So I said, let me put some strawberries in it. So the lady who's working behind the area to give people their mimosas and everything, I said, "Oh, may I have some strawberries?" And the reason why I was asking her is because there was no tongs or anything for me to do it. Guess what she does? She takes her bare hands, picks up some strawberries, and puts it in my glass. And do I drink that? No, I do not. I go to another attorney and I said, "You won't believe what happened." And she's like, "I'm getting you some fresh strawberries."
Yeah.
It was interesting. But for 2 hot dogs, beef and turkey available, chips and soda, uh, they have ketchup, mustard, and relish, $8.
That sounds like a great deal.
Yeah. Well, President Obama said ketchup doesn't go on hot dogs. He said, "We're all adults now. We don't do that."
I like ketchup on my corn dogs and like everybody, my mom's like absolutely not. Yeah.
I'm with your mom on that. But you know what I would put ketchup on back in the day? Spaghetti
Oh, really?
and also beans.
What about your eggs?
I was gonna
No.
say eggs.
I'm a purist when it comes to eggs. Now, maybe some pepper, salt and pepper when you're cooking it. That's it.
Yeah, I don't like it on
Yeah.
my eggs.
I'm not doing hot sauce or any of that. No, that's not me.
That's still pretty.
And you know, with grits, oh, hey, okay, I will have you moved. The only thing, you know, I will write letters, do a petition. The only thing that go on grits, butter, and maybe some pepper. People doing this sugar, absolutely not.
But wait, do you like shrimp and grits?
I will eat shrimp and grits, but that's not my go-to.
Okay.
If we are civilized and living in a civilized world, you do butter and pepper. That's it. Now, if we're not in a civilized world and we're just, you know, trying to survive, like in Survivor, then you can put your shrimp in it. You know, I'll let you put a little sand in it or whatever. But in the civilized world, you know, it's like from Planet of the Apes. I am a man. You know, are we not civilized?
Oh my God, that's so good.
Oh, yeah. And you know, people are very serious. And so one time I posted something on Facebook and it was a Muppet girl holding up a sign and it said, "Sugar don't go on grits." Okay, let me just tell you, I had about 300 comments. People were like, "Yes, it does." And then other people were like, "No." Yeah. Oh, it is.
Did you see that work? And you know what that actor did?
So,
Look at it.
yeah, so it was interesting.
7:31. So.
I don't think I've ever eaten grits.
Oh my gosh. All right, could somebody call Maria and tell her I need a new court reporter? You've never had grits?
You know, Judge,
No.
someone told me, because I love cream of wheat, they told me that was grits. And
No.
and I grew up for a long time thinking that that was grits.
And you tell them there's no statute of limitations on that. We need to find them and they need to be punished to the fullest extent of the law. Cream of wheat. Okay, and you know what? I never have eaten cream of wheat.
I love
Oh,
it.
I like cream of wheat.
I love it.
But I would do that and I love oatmeal.
I do love all.
Now, oatmeal, little bit of sugar. This whole thing where people are doing things as though we're not civilized people. Oh, let me put some honey in it. Oh, let me put cinnamon in it. Oh, let me add some blueberries. Oh my gosh, that is you, Megan. No, then you're just eating a fruit salad with some, you know, oatmeal thrown on top.
It's all my blood. That's the sign from every use. That was also very. That. I know you were not. I never refused to leave. Yeah. Mhm. That's deep, that, I mean, that's illegal for it to do it, right? It's not single them big bad. Why not? Mhm. We've had this. Yeah. All this comes from the business.
Renee has the patience of Job.
Oh, yeah.
It's just. Yeah. Well, if they should be down. Okay, so if anybody put somebody out there in the street, they can get it, they can put it in jail. But when you get inside these people's house, they can do whatever they want. Why? Yeah, that's what's happening. So what's going on?
We're going to travel to them.
And get that right there.
Oh, okay, that's it, okay.
Like, that's.
Okay, and you can't do anything like that.
I don't think right. I think it's almost.
Take me back. This is back. I'll take this up.
Yeah, I got you.
Alright,
But I'm scanning everything and then I'll figure out where to go, because I know I scanned some.
There's already.
Yeah, my little horrible.
No, I
All right, Norma, call a jury up.
It's.
Okay.
In the details, call up 70.
What was our rest then? That's not the house. Okay.
But Sean, we finally get to wear sweaters. You're like, it's not really. Well, you don't like the cold? I prefer cold over heat.
Thank you. I have a lot of scars.
Mhm.
You prefer
Oh, I prefer cold over heat
cold over heat? Yes.
because you can always layer when it's, yeah. Well, you know what? I tell you what, try walking to HEB from the courthouse and it's 105 degrees and the humidity is high.
It's far. They said they'll be up here by 9:50.
All right, thank you.
It's just your fingertips. It's just you can't. I'm not so sure. But it's on your fingertips.
Why?
With the little pearl. They did some, I mean, that, like flannel shirt. On the.
Oh.
What?
Like that.
Yeah, discretion.
No, we went over there.
They had a shirt, like, great shirt.
That's gravity.
You're really.
Yes.
So with this case, Judge, Mr. Cortez is concerned about body worn camera. We called yesterday this DPS agents. One of them is currently retired and the other one is currently hospitalized pending surgery for his intestines.
Mhm.
So we spoke with Mr. Cortez. He said that he would agree to a continuance, so we prepare that for the court's consideration. Obviously, right, the court doesn't have to grant it, but I do have that copy for your consideration. We were just asking for a 30-day reset. That way we can properly coordinate with the special agents because their testimony is relevant to both the state and defense for this motion to suppress regarding body worn camera.
All right. Just give me a moment.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
So that happened, I reported there was therapy. Hour, but after they, the fire. Okay,
Sure, that happens.
what else you got? So what I was thinking about this last, so do you something that you need now that is more, that is less expensive?
All right, so state on this case, do you have a date for when Special Agent Vincent
I do not, Judge. I sent him a text message, and he hasn't replied yet, but I can call the officer who initially gave us his phone number or his sergeant and see.
Yeah,
I
if you
can
can,
get that
if you can see
information.
for that.
Uh-huh.
Where's your cup of coffee? Something.
Might be able to do it here in a minute. Try to get it. Yeah. You know, it's like.
Started doing, first degree. This is one of them. But I would like to just be doing trials. That's what I want to do.
Wait a minute, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Vashon, they have a free 5K. It's the fourth annual coconut run. What is that? Do you bring coconuts or? It's called the fourth annual coconut 5K run.
Oh, wow.
Are we bringing coconuts?
I'll show you.
It's at OP Shopwell Park. You know, we should do that as a team.
When is it though?
It's November 8th. They say rolling registration starts at 8:30. This will get us interested. Free t-shirts, free coconut water. I guess that's why it's called a coconut run. And get this, free breakfast tacos.
Where's this at, Judge?
It's at Shawnable Park on Bandera Road.
The Avenue? No,
Yes.
Naval, the Naval Park,
There.
but there, I love that part.
I still go.
You still go? I used to go there a lot of days ago.
Okay, so we're signing up for the 5K then.
I can't do the 8th. I'm already doing a walk that day for gut cancer awareness. My best friend has no stomach because of cancer and
Oh, where is that? We may need to do that then.
yeah, I'm trying to find the screenshot.
All right, I'm volunteering us. We're gonna start doing walks. And then ruining our good work by eating unhealthy afterwards.
Don't forget Saturday is the drug court.
Oh, this Saturday?
Yep.
Ah, well,
It is.
actually, I'm gonna stop by there. But you know, I haven't
Free.
okay.
It's on November 15th. So the coconut run is a yes.
All
Or
right.
what walk is it that you're doing, Michelle?
I
That
just
was
sent it
just-
to you.
Let me send you guys this one. This one is the free ones with the free shirt.
All right, yes, we will do it.
Oh. Are we on? We're not on, right?
No, but I tried to.
they're having their picnic on Friday at Comanche Park. It's from 11 to 3. Please, I'm
Saturday.
praying for cold, Saturday, yes. I'm praying for cold weather.
It will be nice, just they said it would be nice weather.
So I will be there. I will not be working the grill, although my grill skills are second to none. But I won't be working the grill.
Judge. If you can pardon, a lot of judgments to go.
Oh, sure.
If something happens, please help me.
Oh, I will let you know. All right,
Thank
thank
you
you.
so much. Thank you.
Oh, so that's. Sean, isn't there, she says,
Show my good faith in this, because that's not the kind of case I want, but I do want the court to extend that to me, and I want to try this case.
Yes, Your Honor. I thank Mr. Cortez for helping me assisting this morning. It seems like he's established a better rapport with Mr. Folsom. As stated before with the motion to withdraw, when I was speaking about it, I think some of the aspects of the relationship had deteriorated regarding that relationship, Judge. So it seems like Mr. Cortez would like to stand in to resolve this matter.
If I don't mind coming in to work kind of together on it, because he has the discovery and all that.
Yeah.
I would just like
We can
to, I think we're gonna try a suppression issue.
There's a motion to suppress filed on this matter, Your Honor. So however the court would like to hear that ran with trial or otherwise. Perfectly.
They usually run them with trial, right?
okay with completing jury selection, no testimony today?
What, no.
We
I already made
probably,
it very clear, we're not doing the bench trial. If you
No,
want
I
the
said
bench-
jury
jury.
selection today,
would you need some time as
but I mean,
as
you all
potential
would both
co-counsel?
be on the case.
Would you need some time as potential co-counsel to get up to speed, though? I feel the discovery.
I would prefer a little time. I mean, I don't need much, but I'd like a little time. I haven't seen anything,
All right, so if
but
if
I'm
you
not
all
gonna
wish-
cry about it.
Oh, okay. All right, so you all looked on it together, and what we can do is we can do jury selection today. There'll be no testimony today.
And the other thing, I just, if you don't mind, Judge, I need to check in with 175th on
Sure.
another case.
All right, if you're gonna do that and then
Yeah.
come back,
Thank you. Thank you.
you're welcome. Yes,
I'm informed that Mr. Garcia is not in the building.
no. So the other attorney was here standing in for you,
Jessica.
but she had no idea what the previous
I understand.
10 violations were about, so. So if you want to have him set to have him brought over, we can have him.
I can be here tomorrow, I can be here Friday, whatever works.
All right, if you'll talk with Miss Ferguson and
Sure.
ask him to put him on the docket and we'll bring him over.
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
All right, thank you. And counsel, my concern is he continues his use. Yes, and that's not going to end well, so. All right, okay, so if you'll speak with Miss Ferguson and she'll give you a date to.
I understand what the court's concerned.
All right, thank you.
We'll talk to him first before.
Yes.
Just wants to talk.
We only have 30, that's
I
all.
only have 30. You got some more on? I knew you were tired yesterday, Judge, because. I was staying here. Yes, we're gonna see your. Yes.
You were pushing, yes, we will stay here, we will finish this.
Welcome back, Cindy.
Yeah, 2 really long days so far.
No, he said it in their house.
So is he ready to come on? Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, we
She, you have to understand that at the jail, there's no privacy.
Sorry, there's a door on it here?
Here's a door,
Yeah, that-
not over there.
It's just like a toilet, like in the middle of the cell.
Oh, have you not been back there?
Yeah, yeah, there's different areas.
At the jail,
Yeah,
it's all open. It's like a line with no door.
oh, that's right. But some of them have their own.
The annex, they have small walls with their two doors, which is like a little
Oh,
partition.
that's, yeah.
Other than that, they're all just little.
The showers.
They're-
Big one.
No, they're not open.
Just one. Awesome.
No, there's just several, but it's all open.
Oh,
It's
so,
like high school gym.
yes, yeah. I didn't see
Well, no, high school gym, you actually had doors.
Not in my school.
that in my school either.
Not
Oh,
in
we
my
had
school.
doors for that and we had showers. And you had different shower stalls for everybody.
Oh, wow. That's
Well,
nice.
I will tell you, I went to Booker T. Washington High School.
Okay.
And that was during segregation. Well, I didn't go during segregation, but the school was built during segregation time.
Okay, yeah.
And that school was state of the art. And we actually celebrated 75 years of homecoming.
Yeah.
And I wasn't able to make it. So
Yeah.
they had people from different classes
Yeah.
who would come to celebrate it. But it was top of the art. So even though when I got there, it had been there for a while.
Yeah.
It was still sort of state of the art because we don't have, you know, how some schools, they say you just have an open shower room and everybody is showering in the
It's like
same
different-
space.
Yeah, nozzles, yeah.
They have at Booker T, they have different stalls. So you have your stall with the shower curtain. You
And
have,
shower head too,
yeah,
each one. Oh, wow,
Mhm.
that's nice.
And it was funny because when I came through detention as a cadet at the
Mhm.
jail, they were 3 shower stalls and they would only give us like 20 minutes and there was like 16 females at that time. We would like literally just go in and get out. Just get wet.
Everybody has like 1 point,
Yeah,
one
and
of
there
them
were
half
no-
minutes or something.
There was like no curtains, no nothing. It was just an open shower and everybody's like, just do your thing, do not look anywhere, just
That's
get
the way I had
out.
to do it too.
In and out, yeah.
Yeah, I would have tennis in the mornings and I would shower and then go to school and all that. They just throw you in like.
see,
Weird, it's awkward.
I would always say, if I have to do gym, put it at the last class.
Yeah,
I felt sorry for people who had gym first period.
yeah. It's
It's
hard.
like, no, I'll take 6 period.
You have to wake up extra early too to do that oftentimes before school started.
Mhm.
With the jail, for the thing down, you have individual stalls for the showers, but there's no curtain. They
Yes.
remove the curtain.
But I will say, I went, because I always do a tour of the jails, but when I went for people who are suffering from mental health issues, they have their own separate location, but
Kind of all.
there is a
That's
desk
dope, yeah.
that's manned, and then the showers are on this side,
Yeah, and at the annex? Or at
Yes.
the main jail?
at the main jail.
At the main jail, yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Very fresh. Yeah. I mean, it's like-
Hello, how's it going?
Good. Saw your jury in the hall, your panels.
Yes.
By to be nosy.
Oh, come by.
I'm gonna go turn in some forms. But I'm gonna try to make it better.
Ah,
See the master in action.
oh, yes, Renee is awesome.
No pressure.
Don't get up.
All right, you too.
They're ready for me to make it 30. Okay. Oh, this is the unofficial docket now. Oh, okay. Oh, that's, you know what, you're so right. We have 30 for tomorrow, Judge.
Okay.
Because CT is gonna be doing a decent job, low prices, everything, everything that's wholesale.
All right, so everyone, the jurors are outside, so have you all made a decision?
One moment, Your Honor, we're just clarifying some of the information.
All right, thank you. Can you believe the Lord of the Rings movie is over 24 years old? Time, Lord of the Rings movie, over 24 years. Yes, time flies, right?
Insane.
Okay, they say the best potato is at Texas Roadhouse. Yes,
I don't believe it till I have it again.
and they said,
I don't know how it tasted.
and they say that Ruth Chris has the best sweet potato casserole. Personally, I'm not a sweet potato casserole person.
Like sweet too.
And they said Morton's has the best Gouda bacon au gratin potatoes.
Yes, that is
And Sullivan's the best shaved Brussels sprouts. I love Brussels sprouts.
I've never eaten Brussels sprouts.
Well, make sure,
Because no one can make me. They look nasty.
oh no,
I like Brussels sprouts.
I didn't like them at first, but then my mom made them and they remind me of baby cabbages.
Yeah, baby cabbages.
We just haven't had a great one. And they said Texas de Brazil, best sauteed mushrooms. I don't know, I don't like a lot of stuff on my mushrooms. All right. So are you all ready?
Ready to proceed, Your Honor.
All right.
Oh,
Have
Harrison?
a punishment on this judge. If I were. Yes, I agree with the punishment.
Okay, sure.
Ms. Harrison, Judge?
Yes, she goes back.
Yeah.
And state defense, what I'll do is I'll speak to the jurors first, and then I'll send them for their lunch break.
Your Honor, before we start, can I also get something on the record?
Yes.
I think it's just going to be regarding.
Thank you, Ms. Earl.
The.
You're welcome.
It would just be regarding, just the offer as it stands today, and it's rejected.
All right. What your attorney was doing is your attorney was putting on the record what the state's offer was, so that it can be on the record that you know what the offer is. But if you are saying that you are going to take the state's offer, then that means that you would not be going to jury trial. That means that you would accept the offer that they're tendering.
Yeah, that's fine.
Well, I mean, is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
Okay, so state if you will draw up the paperwork, and Mr. Folsom, if there's something that you don't understand about the
There's a
paperwork.
lot that I'm.
No, you just let me know, okay?
Yeah.
Because I go over the paperwork in great detail, all right? So they're gonna draw up the paperwork. Your attorneys are gonna discuss it with you, and then I will discuss it with you, okay?
Yes.
All right,
Thank
thank
you.
you. You're welcome.
To give as much detailed
Thank
explanation.
you.
Thank you.
So you want to take a step.
Grand-
Yes, sir.
All right, and what we'll do, Deputy Laura,
Yes.
if you can let the, yes, just have them wait. And just let them, just let them wait and we'll see where we are.
Was it yesterday that we heard the dog case?
Yes.
Yeah.
What's the, but how, got resolved. The one guy that was like, still. Yeah. Just trying to take. Like,
Yeah.
like, yeah.
I'll call you back.
Yesterday, I heard back, from the, special agent John Vincent. His surgery is scheduled for the 31st, and he said doctors after the surgery will be able to tell him when he gets back to work. So it could be anywhere from 2 weeks to a month. But he said if it's something that he could do, testimony via Zoom, obviously defense would have to agree, he could do that as well.
All right, let's
So-
do this. Norma, see if Mr. Cortez can come back. And let's find out if he's agreeable to that. No, that's fine. Deputy Laura. All right, thank you.
Mr. Payne took off, Judge.
Okay. Could you contact Christine McDonald?
Let me see if she's on this team. Well, what's the other lady's name?
Who?
The mental health court. She was sitting right here on Friday,
Are you
Black
talking about
hair.
Adrian?
black hair.
Are you talking about Adrian?
Is it Adrian?
Yes.
He was helping too. I'll let them know I'll give them the emails that I just received.
It's Adrian Rodriguez.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Cornelius. Yeah. Yeah.
Try it.
You know, Tom, you mentioned that. I just see the Jacksons doing their dance for Dancing Machine. Dancing Machine. The back. You're like the Tin Man. Do we need to put some all?
with me.
You know, I will tell you, even when I watched Wizard of Oz as a child, never liked Glinda.
You didn't like Glinda?
No, I did not. No, even from the beginning, when I was thinking of Glinda, I was thinking, okay, the house fell on the witch. Now looking back on it, maybe that was an accident. Maybe it wasn't. Maybe Glinda had something to do with it. But I was always questioning my mom. I said, you know, those are not Glinda's shoes to give away. How is she just giving somebody's shoes away? And then this is what sealed it to me. When I was watching it, and then you find out that the man behind the curtain is no, you know, they're trying to go away in the hot balloon, and
Yeah.
Dorothy misses and she's all disappointed. And then Glinda comes up to her. Oh, you've had it all the time. Just click your. I was like, so basically, yeah. So basically, what Glinda did is,
What are you saying?
Glinda sent her to do her dirty work. She sent her to go kill that other witch's sister, and that witch's sister was justified in saying, "I want my sister's shoes."
It was a hit.
Yes, it was.
Some fracture my childhood
Oh, it was. Let me just tell you.
because it was an annual deal. When the Wizard of Oz came on,
It's a big deal.
ties
a big
for like 2 months ahead of time.
Let's tell you, I would watch it,
TV dinners out, so you could watch that.
and each year,
Sound of Music
Yeah.
too.
I'm telling you,
All
right?
of them.
and each year that I would watch The Wizard of Oz, there was this dislike that built up in my heart for Glinda because she comes down in that bubble and she gets Dorothy and the rest of them to do her dirty work. And it's like, Glinda, you're there. You can help people out. You don't have the Tin Man out. You don't have the Scarecrow out. You don't have to help the Lion out. You just let Dorothy go do your dirty work. And then Dorothy broke into the witch's castle. She wasn't invited.
Wow.
Commit crimes.
No, they took her. You remember the little the monkeys that they took her. She was in the
Didn't want to give her
forest.
shoes.
They took her and they took Toro. Remember? They flew them to the castle.
And what did the Scarecrow always tell Dorothy about her and Toto? He's like, Dorothy, I'm not very smart. You know, I don't have a brain, but it would seem to me,
Yeah,
why don't you
common
just
sense.
take a different route? And how about putting Toto on a leash?
That would have solved the whole problem.
I did
Yeah.
not. And here's what you should learn from Wizard of Oz. Never trust somebody who looks like they've never worked in their day of their life and they're coming down from a bubble.
But
Can you believe the dirty? You know what? Now, see, now that I even think about it even more, it's like,
well,
she just.
the promise. Follow the yellow brick road.
Mhm.
Yellow brick road.
But by the way, Dorothy, I know you're here. If you want to stay here a little while and have some fun, you can have a little fun. But you're underage. You know your Auntie M is missing you. So I want to let you know. Those shoes you're wearing, just click your heels 3 times and think of home, and you can go back anytime.
Wasn't actually underage. The
No, she
person
wasn't.
That was supposed to play that part was Shirley Temple.
Mhm. There was some issues with the studio.
The actors.
Mhm.
Shirley Temple was signed, well, she was on the contract with
Mhm.
20th Century Fox. And the rights to was MGM.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, and you know, there were different people who were supposed to play different parts, but then
Oh.
somebody had an experience with the dye,
Yeah, that was
almost died.
Ted Clamp, Ted,
Jed
Clamp,
Clampett.
what's his name?
Buddy Epson.
Yeah, he was really supposed to be the Tin Man, but he was allergic to the dye.
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's
Yeah.
interesting.
Yeah. But Glinda, not a good person.
No.
And the reason, and doubly I say that because in the books, Dorothy is a child. And you know, if you read the original
You
Wizard of
read them?
Oz books, yeah, I've read them all. Oh, you should read the original books because each person has their own story. I've read that, and then I've read the ones where they've reimagined, like you have Son of a Witch, and that's the son of the witch. And so they have all these different books. I forget the name of the author who did it, but when you think about Dorothy's age, that's double. You have an adult influencing a child to do wrong. And you know what else? They did not even give the witch a funeral. The house falls on her and they're just like,
That
"Yeah."
was it.
And then the Munchkins come out singing, come out, wherever you are, and the wicked witch is dead. You know, is she mostly dead?
Almost there.
Those feet curl.
Yeah. They didn't even give her
Nobody
a
thinks
proper
that
funeral.
we get so much out of that movie. It was a lot. That movie could be easily be a miniseries.
That good.
Yeah.
That's the truth.
Yeah.
All you have to do is wake up.
No, let me just tell you, there was so much going on.
The whole time. Wake up. She was fine.
All right, so this setting is not a jury.
It is, I think it's just, I'm the second attorney on it. I believe it's a discovery setting.
All right, so if you can see if the state agrees to it, but I'm fine with it if they
Okay,
agree to
thank you,
it.
Judge.
And Cornelius, I'm shocked at you. As a defense attorney, you siding with Glenda.
You know what?
Did I just destroy your childhood? I'm sorry.
You know, for a long time, see, part of the beginning of it's like white.
Yes.
She lands in arms. But for me and my folks,
It was
it
colorful.
was.
You never
black
knew.
and
It
white.
was always black and white. Yes. All right. Mr. Cortez, they
Thank
want
you.
to talk to you about one of their witnesses appearing by Zoom.
I'll do it.
Friday, he said once the surgery is done, the doctor will be able to
Okay.
better find him and get the in person. But he said if it's something, if he that is in, he's willing to do that, but it's not. In person. So I'll be saying, yeah, whatever, you tell me.
Well, here's the thing that maybe
Yeah.
I'm just trying to get a cop. Just a real quick summary here, there's two essentially detentions of my client in the same video.
Oh, no, I know you're trying to get that, but I'm just, do you have any objections?
Well, I wanna clear this up first, because I think it's more important than that, quite frankly, Judge. Because
Because I need to know, because you'll get whatever video they have, and if the video doesn't exist, it doesn't exist. But
that's my issue.
if the video doesn't exist, then it doesn't exist. But my point is,
The judge knows
do you have any
my secretary
objection
number.
if the only way he can appear is by Zoom?
Angel is the one that.
That's what I want to know. Will, the discovery issues will be
No, I would not
addressed.
have an objection with that.
You send the test, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so he's not gonna have any objection to him appearing by Zoom. And when will you think you'll have the information
Okay.
for him on the existence of video?
Well, so we discussed with them last night, so I already have the answer to that, and we called Mr. Cortez and explained that to him, and based on our conversation, Mr. Cortez acknowledged it, but that is the purpose of being able to cross-examine and question these witnesses regarding its non-existence in this case.
Okay, so the videos don't exist.
Correct.
Well, no, and this guy supposedly didn't have a body cam, supposedly, this guy didn't. But in the first arrest, there's plenty of body cam by multiple officers, they're undercover, there must be about 5 or 6 of them there.
Mhm,
In the first thing, the same group of people show up to the very same hotel room,
mhm,
same everything, on a different day.
mhm.
And all of a sudden, now, there is a body cam of the entry, but there's about 5 or 6 people there.
Are there any body cameras?
Your Honor, we've been given the SB 111 and it notes the officers that do have it. There are, I want to say 1 or 2 officers based on my review of the video last night that have a camera on their person. However, at the time, DPS, what I'm told, did not have a policy regarding its activation, so they were not activated and therefore not recording, so there is no video. which would be why the witnesses need to be present to be questioned on any policy, whether they recorded and all of that.
Okay.
Well, the other thing to me is that there is a video of him going in. And the first video shows them, the first encounter, using the hotel key to get in.
All right, so here's my question. I don't know, I haven't looked at the evidence in this case. I don't know anything about it. So whatever videos you have, if you could just make sure that he has those. He says he would have no objection to this officer appearing by Zoom. This was set for jury trial. So if you all can confer with Ms. Ferguson on a jury trial date. And we'll make sure, well, they will make sure that you have whatever they have. And if there's a video that is not in existence and you think it is, we can have a pretrial hearing on that.
And on that issue also, Judge, then I definitely would want to make sure that all the officers that were there that day are asked on this issue, because I know there's different departments.
Yes.
And I just want to make sure that there's an order here that everyone that was there, all the law enforcement, have to notify us whether or not there exists
Sure.
a video. But I'm fine with that.
Okay.
Yes, Judge.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you can give them a jury trial date before the new year, please. And if you all can make a decision on when you all would like to have a pretrial hearing, if that's what's being requested.
Yes, sir. We'll still move on to suppression. But you'll do that on day of trial.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, is the clerk here?
She's in the back.
All right, could you go in the back and let her know you're ready with the paperwork?
Yes, we'll do that.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
It's November 12th.
All right. Oh, Mr. Cortez? Thank you. Yes, so I can remind him about the dress and that they need to have that 72 hours beforehand. Hi, Mr. Cortez, sorry. They've changed clothing exchanges at the jail. So if you want to do that, it has to be done 72 hours before?
Adam said.
So 72 hours, so you'll need to notify the jail 72 hours before then.
And is it one time or every single change?
I think it's just one time. So just,
That's what I was talking to her.
yes, 72 hours in advance.
I combined.
Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
all right, thank you. I promise there's nothing else for me to call you back for.
Sorry, what was his name again? I think we did that.
Sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Maybe it's inside.
Oh, excuse me.
No, it's.
Thank you. Thank you, Deputy Laura. And I'm going to show you this one.
You gonna send it?
Yes, I'm sending you the one. And you tell me what you think of that one. Adriana, are you ready?
Almost, I still need to get started.
All right, thank you. So if you want to.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, Deputy Laura. Here's this.
Another one?
Mhm. And I sent you what I said.
Oh, it's from this letter?
Understood, and you get the one you want on for you, man. I sent you to the other studio.
All right, thank you.
Don't have to do it. Thank you very much.
Yeah. It's, he doesn't have a phone. It's like.
It's just a step.
Oh, that.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. No, there is not, is your actual. You went over this over your office. And you think everything. Yeah.
All right, could I have the parties on Mr. Folsom, please? And Mr. Folsom, if you'll come down. All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 009026, State versus Randy Wayne Folsom. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Gallery for the state.
Renee Munoz on behalf of Mr. Folsom.
And are you Mr. Folsom?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Mr. Folsom, I know that we were off record and the court explained to you what the true bill of indictment was. Did you understand everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I know sometimes the law is a little tricky, but
Very, very tricky.
all right. So I'm going to go over all of these documents with you. If there's something you don't understand, be sure to let me know, all right? All right, counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Folsom, this is the true bill of indictment. It tells you what you're charged with. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
And the indictment has the enhancements in it. So you've reviewed that with your attorney? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Right. So, Mr. Folsom, when your attorney says that he's waiving the reading of the indictment, that just means that nobody's going to read this entire document into the record, but it will go into the record with the paperwork that you've signed. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, state, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're waiving the habitual offender.
All
No
right.
objection.
So your attorney doesn't object to that. So that means that the state is just going to proceed on this case as a driving while intoxicated third or more. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. This document is called the court admonishments. It lets you know what your rights are.
Mhm.
Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
All right. So the state is proceeding on the indictment, but waiving the enhancements. So then what you're charged with is driving while intoxicated third or more.
Mhm.
That's a third degree felony without the enhancements.
Yes.
The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine.
Yes.
If you have an agreement with the state, I don't have to follow your agreement.
I understand.
If for any reason I do not follow your agreement and give you more than what you've agreed to, you can withdraw your plea.
Mm-hmm.
The fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you can go to jury trial. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to a jury trial. That means that 12 people will be sitting on your jury. There's a jury panel outside.
That's if you don't agree.
Yes, that's if I don't agree, okay?
Okay.
So you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you've entered into this plea bargain agreement, you've given up those rights. Did you intend to do that and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
My opinion, he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
That is correct, Judge.
Mr. Folsom, has anyone, well, let's do a correction here. Is your last name Folsom with an M or Folsom with an N?
It's M.
M?
M.
All right. So everyone, on the paperwork, it says Folsom.
With
Folson, but you say it's Folsom?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. That's okay.
It should be correct on the.
All right.
I'm sorry.
It's your. And Mr. Folsom, sometimes when you are talking to officers and you give your name, sometimes they don't ask you how to spell it.
Mhm.
So they will spell it differently, but we'll make sure that the spelling is correct.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Motion.
Yes.
Your Honor, at this time, the state would move to amend the indictment to read last name Folson.
No objection from the defense.
All right. Thank you. All right. So Mr. Folsom, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No,
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea that you've reached?
no, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you could be deported, denied naturalization, or re-entry into the United States. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. This is the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney?
Ma'am, I did.
According to the plea bargain agreement, your punishment is to be assessed at 7 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine, and there are no applications for community supervision or deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the
Yes,
plea?
ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
This paragraph here is the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am, I did sign it. I was just gonna ask, I get all my back time for this too.
Well, what I can tell you is legally, you're entitled to any time that you spent in jail on this case. So
Okay.
for example, if you were arrested
Mhm.
on the night of this offense, and if you have never been released from custody, you will receive your back time for all of the time since you were arrested.
Okay.
Let's say you were arrested and then you were released, you'll still get credit for that time when you were arrested.
Okay. That's all I wanted to know. Make sure.
So did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph
ma'am.
with your attorney and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only thing you can complain about are pretrial motions that I've heard and ruled upon, or that a judge has heard and ruled upon. Do you
Mhm.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. As previously stated, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. To the offense then of driving while intoxicated, third or more, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
It offers states a 1 and a time.
No objection from the defense.
All right, Mr. Folsom, did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation
Yes, ma'am.
with
I
your
even
attorney?
asked- Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? So this document, the waiver consent to stipulation, that's legalese. Basically, what it's saying is that you agree that if these persons who are listed in here were to come in to testify, they would say what is in these documents.
Mhm.
So again, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering into this plea, again, you're giving up those rights. And you're allowing the state to present their evidence in the form of police reports. But most importantly, there's not going to be any witnesses coming in to testify. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find that there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, anything you wish to say on your behalf of your client?
We're requesting that the court follow the plea bargain agreement, Judge. We believe that the time in TDCJ is sufficient for the offense as charged. There were there's no crashes, so nobody was injured. And we're just requesting the state follow the agreement for those.
All right, and Mr. Folsom, what I can tell you is that I carefully reviewed all the documents and the prior convictions that the state is using to make this a third degree felony. They're in order, they're there, right? And those prior convictions, everything is file stamped. And the case from Bear County, of course, those are easy to get when you're in the same county, right? And then the case out of the other county, from Travis County, it's in proper form. I've read all of the stipulations with regards to the case dated June 1st, 2024. And what I can tell you from reading the stipulation in the police report, I did know that you were saying that you were in the driveway. Sometimes people believe if they reach it to their home, then everything is fine, but that's not the way it happened. So I've read the police report, and I'm going to tell you the evidence is sufficient to find you guilty. So I am going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow your plea bargain agreement. And what I will do is I'm going to sentence you to $2,000 fine. The time and the money will run concurrent. So as you're doing time, the $2,000 will be eaten up by the time that you're doing. I know sometimes people say, why are you doing that? But nobody knows where that $2,000 goes. It's supposed to go to bettering the court system as far as building maintenance and different things that are related to running of a court, but no one knows where that money is. It goes to a black hole somewhere. Then I will sentence you to the 7 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. If for some reason you believe that you are not getting the proper amount of credit, like a day is missing or something, you just write a letter to the court, and what we do, if it's correct that you have not been given the appropriate time, we'll do what's called a not pro talk, which is just to correct the time to make sure you have the proper amount of time.
Okay.
And I'm going to request a therapeutic community for you because it seems that all of your priors are alcohol related, and you got to
Okay.
stop doing that, okay?
I've already went to therapeutic community.
Okay, well, we're going to try it again.
Mhm.
When you're released, if you can't find a place that's a sober supports transitional housing for you, if I'm still here, you come back here, I'll make sure that we find a place for you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? All right, and did you sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over that, you'll need to speak to an attorney, okay?
Okay.
All right, we can go off the record. So, Mr. Folsom, I know, at least I'm gonna pray that you don't pick up any more new offenses, but now you know what being a habitual means, and it's not related to the rules of evidence as
I
far as the
understand.
10 years, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, sir.
Good luck to y'all too.
All right,
Yeah.
thank you.
Maybe excuse driving.
Yes.
Appreciate it.